How you doing, Kenny Boy 100? Excuse my not shop outfit. I'm in a hurry. I'm on my way out the door. But I've been promising to let everybody know what I decided about my oil cap. So I found this one. This is freaking smooth. I haven't decided what I want to put on it yet, and I'm not going to wait any longer. But I just want to give you guys some basic information. This little guy is 3 inches in diameter, okay? And the OEM cap fits in it perfectly. I mean, it fits it just absolutely perfectly, and it's going to, the threads will just stick. So, all I'm going to do is put a little bit of the sealer in the base, force it down off in there, glue it in place, and then go ahead and put it in the car. This is just gasket sealer. I didn't want to put JB Weld or anything because if the gasket wears out in this, I need to change it. I can just pop this out with a screwdriver, put another one in, and I can still get to use the cap. So I'm going to let you guys watch me glue it in, put it in the car, and that'll be it. You look at it, get to see how it looks, and that'll be it. So I'll pull you in close, you can check it out. Alright guys, I'm just going to squeeze a little blob of this gasket sealer in here. It never really gets hard, so that's a plus. And it just kind of firms up, and it holds things pretty solidly. So you know, a nice little blob. I don't want to get into the threads. I'm going to take this as a standard OEM cap that I bought. It's brand spanking new. We're going to just force that in there, and the threads are so tight, they grab the sides of this. And once it's in, you can see how close it fits. See how close it is? It goes right down to the edge of this little metal cap. So now let's go put it in the car, see how it looks, and later on maybe I'll figure out what I want to put on the face. Let's go to the car.